treasures the steep forest. It hurt. Ain't that worth it? Ain't gonna work nothing else. Bella, you gonna play with Zachary? Bella! Bella! You're like, no. It's too wet. There we go. Hey! My friend's dog. You know you're cute. Hey! Zachary. Where's Zachary? I see you. I hear you. Hey, don't throw that at me. Zachary, you want to tell Mama? You tell her you being a bad boy? Then you better be a good boy then. And tell her you can get on camera.
I got one more bullet and then I'm gonna shoot you.
Hey, what are you shooting me for? You see what he's doing to me, Bella? Bella. Hey, stop poking me in the butt. Hey. You're being a bad boy.
I'm not.
Yeah, you are.
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 I was not.
You know what you get for that? Come here. Okay.
You're gonna tickle me?
Oh, I'm gonna tickle you. Okay. Hi. Huh?
You lied to me.
Hey, you weren't supposed to tell him that. You didn't hear. Bella. Bella.
I don't want you on your bike right now. Mom and Daddy could be
Bella.
going in and eating down and going over your bike.
Bella. Hey. We're here to talk to you. Hey, she said to get off your bike. Okay. Hey, Bella. Bella. You know you're cute.
I'm on a bike like this.
No, push back up. Hey, what that tree has ever done to you?
I got bit by a
Hey, why are you barking at?
What?